Guys, welcome back to your own channel DRP Traders. So what we have to see is that crude oil and commodity analysis right now, guys. You can see here, guys, we have got very huge amount of profit in previous week. Now we can discuss the how this week gonna trade on a crude oil. Okay, guys, you can see here, guys, exactly what happening is that it has been making very bullishness candle is here. Okay, guys, what we have to see is here is that you can see here, guys, exactly it will take up till here you can capture the profit. Okay, guys, what happened is that here is the continuously consolidation happening. Okay, guys, if this is broken, then you can expect up till here. After that, it will taking resistance. You can expect your first target will be here, guys, second target, your third and final target. You can take up till fourth target also, but here one of the reversible also came. You have to see that if reversible not came, then you can go for your fourth target too. If this is broken, you can go for up till here from here. So if upside momentum come, our first target will be here, guys, second target up till here, guys, third target will be up till here, guys. Okay, guys, if you have any queries, please comment me down and tell me your queries. And if you have any doubts, that also enough, guys. You have to tell me that you have getting these much doubts, so I will clarify you, guys. Okay, guys, hope you are getting the analysis, guys, because of I will tell you the explanation also. You can see here exactly taking continuously here only resistance. That's why this will act as a resistance. And also here is the round level. This is the 100. So in round level also, if it will consolidate then break, you can go for your first, second and third and final target. Okay, guys, in downside also, if it will coming downside taking resistance somewhere here only, price action, our first target, second and third target, guys, here only you have to book your whole profit also. If you are seeing the nicer price action, you can take up till here fourth target. Okay, guys, now we can see for natural gas. Okay, guys, for natural gas, it is in a consolidation phase continuously for 2 weeks. You can see here, guys, here only continuously consolidation has been happening. Okay, guys, what we have to see for next. Okay, guys, here somewhere I am seeing the like this is the trend line. Okay, guys, if it will came somewhere like this and take support somewhere here, then we can expect our first target, second target, third target. If this third target also broken, then you can expect huge rally, guys. This will be the fourth target and this will be the fifth and final target. Okay, guys, you can hope you are getting the all analysis. If it will came and broken here, then you can expect your first target, and here somewhere only take resistance, then you can expect your first target, guys. Okay, guys, this will be the somewhere second target and third and final target. Hope you are getting the all analysis, guys. If you have any queries, please comment me down and tell me your queries, guys. Okay, guys, now we can see the gold analysis. You can see here, guys, in gold analysis also we have made a huge amount of profit. Hope you have also captured here. Okay, guys, somewhere here only you can see here, guys, what happened is that this will act as a resistance in majorly. Okay, guys, right now it's coming downside only, but what we have to see, this is the trend line. Right now it is broken, but if it will take properly resistance, then our first target will be here, guys, second target will be here. If it will make price action, you can go for third target, fourth and fifth and final target. Up till here you can reached. Okay, guys, in upside momentum also we can see here, if this will consolidate somewhere here only the trend line is making. Just a second, guys, I will made it nicer way. So somewhere like this. Okay, guys, here only if this will consolidate like this and broken, then you can expect your first target, second target. This is 3 times already tested. This will be consolidate or broken, then you can expect huge profit. This will be the first target, second target, third and final target. Hope you are getting the all analysis, guys. Why I am telling you continuously, here only it will consolidate then broken, then you have to expect the huger profit. If this area will be broken and taken a retest, or it will make a price action in upper side momentum, you have got these all target, guys. Hope you are getting 18,000 also expected. I am expecting 18,000 also. Sorry, guys, 18,000, 1,800 I am expecting gold analysis also, guys. Hope you are getting the all analysis behalf of this. If you have any queries, please comment me down and tell me your queries. I will surely take your queries, and as possible as early I will comment you down. If I think that it is a major problem, then I will dedicatedly make you a separate video also, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.